Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something special. We're unboxing the New Balance 550 sneakers. Known for their iconic design and comfort, let's dive into the world of these stylish kicks as we open the box. The anticipation builds. New Balance always delivers a premium unboxing experience, and the 550s are no exception. The sleek packaging hints at the quality within. First impressions matter, and the design of the New Balance 550 doesn't disappoint. The classic silhouette, the distinctive and logo, it's a nod to both heritage and contemporary style. These sneakers effortlessly blend retro vibes with a modern twist. Taking a closer look at the materials, you can feel the quality. The upper is crafted from a mix of premium leather and suede, providing durability and a luxurious touch. The attention to detail in the stitching and construction showcases New Balance's commitment to craftsmanship. Slipping these on, comfort is immediate. The cushioned insole and padded collar offer excellent support. Whether you're hitting the streets or spending a day on your feet, the New Balance 550 ensures a comfortable journey. One of the great things about the 550s is their versatility. They pair effortlessly with casual or athleisure outfits, making them a go-to choice for various occasions. A true wardrobe staple that combines fashion with functionality. So, there you have it, the New Balance 550 unboxing experience. From design to craftsmanship to comfort, these sneakers tick all the boxes. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or simply looking for a stylish addition to your collection, the New Balance 550 is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Until next time, stay stylish.